Alright, I got two new smoke detectors from eBay, and both of them are pretty rare, from the late 70s or mid 70s, whatever. So I'm about to go review them right now. We're going to start with this boy right here on the right. This is my, hold up. This is my first alert, or BRK, take that back, yeah, it's BRK, model 3000. And open it up. Here's the inside of it. As we all know, this is the ionization sensor and the photoelectric sensor and the test button that looks just like a crown, as we all say. Now, we got a little problem here. Don't see no battery in it. Well, let me tell you. So, before I say anything, these are not hardwired. This is like for interconnect another detector or something like that. Whatever, well, let me tell you what happened. My stupid self decided to hardwire the thing when you're not supposed to. Technically, this thing wasn't hardwired, so I hardwired it up, and, now you see that little burn right there? I put it in, and that thing exploded. You see the capacitor or something like that? Yeah, you see that? Exploded, so it don't work. I don't know if the whole thing works or not. If you get the thing working, I don't know if it's fried or not. But till then, all I care about is I'm glad I got it in my collection. So I will not test this one. Now, here's this behemoth. This is my BRK. Where's the focus camera? Focus. Focus. Hold up. Sorry about this, folks, but why is it not focusing? That's really... There we go. BRK electric 769AC-I. Now, as we all know, most smoke detectors usually have the label on the back. Well, this one's on the side, so let's open it up. Now, this one's not battery powered. This is all AC. Now, here's your buzzer horn, your sensor, and all that. And I'm not gonna test this one neither. But if y'all want me to test it, just comment me down below. Because ever since I done that one, I have not ever put one in a socket board ever since. Now, if you want me to test it, just comment down below, like I said. But here's here's everything. Here's I already said it, so. And 1 second. All right. So yeah, these are my two alarms from the mid-70 BRK smoke detectors. Until then, over and out.